Hey guys, Eric Sargent, Ed Martin Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. I just wanted to give you an up-close look at the Redarc DCDC. What we're using here is the BCDC1240D DCDC product by Redarc. It's mounted right next to the aux battery on a custom bracket that we've made and powder coated. This is also connected to the car with an SBI or a smart isolator. The advantage of that is, you can basically link the two batteries together. So if you ever kill your crank battery, then you have the ability to just link the two batteries together and jump off of each other. Those batteries are connected through the Redarc on the aux battery button there on the bottom row. They'll link the two batteries. If you have any questions on the configuration of the Redarc or the installation of the Redarc, please feel free to ask in the comments below. My phone number is 317-385-9572.